welcome to my channel. Myself Tanvi Margade, and today I am going to show you how to do Minecraft hero activity. So let's start. So this is in my dashboard and this is the activity. So I will show you where. So I have signed up. Go to my projects, and if you are in my projects, go to my dashboard. So you can see this screen, and then you will see Express Course 2020. So go Express Course 19. So click on it. And here are all the activities. So the activity we are doing now is Function with Minecraft lesson 16. So let's start. So first we are going to choose character. I am going to choose Alex. You can choose Steve. Now this is the instruction. This is the play area. This is the run button. This is the workspace, and this is the blocks. If you need help, you can see these videos. So the door is locked, but the agent is here to help. Snap a move forward block to the bottom of the when run block in the workspace to get the agent to the pressure plate, and then press run and use the arrow key to move out of the house and collect the chest. So if you don't have the keyboard, you can use these. These are the arrow keys. So if I put run button, so these are the arrow keys. So this woody thing is the pressure plate. So means if the agent put a step on this pressure plate, the door will open. So first, how many squares? So you can do move forward blocks with the help of squares. So there is one square. So one move forward. Let's do run button. Yes, our door opened. And let's collect the chest. So puzzle number 1 is done. Alex is headed to an adventure. To help get the map behind the locked door on the right, snap the code into the workspace to move the agent to the pressure plate so that the Alex can get through. So this pressure plate will only do this, and this pressure plate will do both of them. So we have to take the treasure map. So we are going to make the agent here on this pressure plate. So that's 2 squares, 1 and 2. So repeat 2 times and move forward inside that. So it will repeat move forward 2 times. So move forward, move forward. So let's see. Yes, we have done, and now we are going to take the map. You can also shear the wool. And we got the map. Next puzzle. See, here are videos, you can watch them. So now, Alex continues on the adventure. He needs the compass to prepare for the trip. Code the agent to open the gate. So this is the compass. So we need it to go here on this pressure plate. So how many squares? 1, 2, 3, 4. So take 4 and move forward. So let's go in. Yes, puzzle number 3 is done. Agent can move across the water. Use the repeat loop to solve the puzzle and get and help Alex to get the bucket behind the door. So this is the bucket and the agent can move in front of the water. So we are going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times move forward. So run. We got the bucket. Next puzzle. You made it across. Now get Alex safely through the maze to collect the axe. So this is the axe and we have to make the Alex go safely through the maze. So now we need the agent going on this pressure plate as it does this. So first we are going to do 1, 2. So 2 times repeat loop. Then turn to the right. Then again 1 and 2. So again, let's see. Yes, we got the axe. Puzzle number 6. Next. Oh no, the bridge is out. Code the agent to rebuild the bridge using the place blocks so the Alex can get the shovel. So this is the shovel and as you know the agent can go through the water. So there are 3 blocks, 1, 2 and 3. So take the repeat loop 3 times, move forward and you can place anything. I'm going to put IKEA plants. Yes, we got it. Next puzzle. Another river, but this one is much wider. Fix this code to help the agent build the bridge so that the Alex can get to the pickaxe. So this is the pickaxe and we have done till 3. 1, 2 and 3. There is more 2 blocks. So we are going to put more. 2, 1 and 2. So 5 times. So let's go. Yes, we got the pickaxe. Next puzzle. So here are videos. You can see. Okay. The function name build bridge is in your workspace. All the code you need to cross the river is built right in. Snap a small green build bridge function block into a workspace twice to fix the path to get Alex the redstone torch. So this is the redstone torch and these are the creepers, zombies as you know. So this is function. So function is a set of instructions which has another event also. So it helps to, we can take it again and again. So build bridge. So if I put 1 time build bridge, so this code will move. So only 1 time has it happened and we have to reach the redstone. So we are going to do 1, 2 times. So we got the redstone torch. Next puzzle. There is ice in the way. The clear path function can help you destroy the ice and get Alex to the minecart. So this is the Minecraft and this is the function again. So these are some squares here which are eyes. So there are 3 blocks here. So it will only do 1 block. So how many blocks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are going to do 6 times clear path. Let's see. So there are water hiding under some of the paths. So they are putting that, and we got the minecart. Next puzzle. Can you spot the difference between the 2 functions in your workspace? Use the functions with other code from the toolbox to clear the path for the minecart and then collect the flint and steel. So this is flint and steel. And these are functions. So there are 2 functions. Fixed long part and fixed short part. So it will do fixed long part, it will do only 2 times, and fixed long part it will do 3 times. So we will make the agent turn left, as we have to go like this here. Now there are 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 can be divided into fixed short part, fixed short part. Then turn to the right. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times. So it can be divided into short part and long part. Then again turn to the right. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we don't need anything as there are only this much. So here is already a rail, so we don't need to do more. So this is railway. So we will go through the railway and get the flint and steel. Yes, we got it. Next puzzle. Look at the function below. How can you use them to avoid the casts and help Alex make it safely to the enchanted book? So this is the enchanted book and these are the ghasts. So we don't need to crush them. So this agent will help. So now there are 1 and 2. So in build short bridge there are 2 and in build long bridge there are 3. So first build short bridge, then turn to the right, build short bridge, turn to the left, build short bridge, turn to the left, build short bridge, turn to the right and build long bridge. So let's see. So the agent is putting netherrack. So let's go through the path. And we got the enchanted book. Next. So now it is free place, means you can do anything here. You can use functions, anything here. So we did the activity and now you can do free play. You can find this in your projects or in create, view all projects. This is Minecraft Hero. So you can do a free play here. So You can free play here. So now we can do anything here. So, thanks for watching my video. Please like and share my video. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Till that time, bye bye.